This is a cutting machine designed for gasket industry. It's accurate, flexible to cut many kinds of gasket materials. AOL1625 machine has a working area of 1600 by 2500 mm. Its body is constructed of solid steel and weighs approximately 1,500 kilograms. Its heavy-duty platform ensures stable operation and precise cutting. The voltage supports 220 or 380. The total power is 9 kilowatts, and it supports remote network upgrade and diagnosis. It adopts a vacuum absorption platform with 16 titrations, which can automatically absorb materials and cut them immediately after placement. It is suitable for materials of different sizes or thicknesses. The laptop features an aviation-grade honeycomb aluminum surface, ensuring durability and resistance to deformation. Imported high-precision racks enhance cutting power when cutting thick, hard materials, ensuring higher precision. The machine is equipped with a high-definition projector system that can clearly project the nesting path onto the material surface, achieving precise alignment, saving materials, and improving efficiency. The projected outline is clearly visible, and workers can quickly adjust the layout according to the outline to ensure the key dimensions and structures are accurately positioned. The software supports graphic formats such as DXF and PDF. It's easy to operate, features automatic nesting software and fast typesetting. It can also realize nesting and maximize material utilization. Material commonly used in gasket industry include asbestos-free sheets, rubber sheets, graphite composite sheets, microfoam materials, and PTFE. We will recommend the appropriate tool based on the characteristics of each material. Equipped with a variety of cutting tools, oscillating knife is suitable for flexible materials such as asbestos-free board, graphite board. Rubber sheet semi-circular knife is suitable for high-density board. For graphite sheet, it is recommended to use a low-frequency vibration knife and cut multiple types. Rubber sheets can be cut with a high-speed jackknife. Asbestos-free sheets require pneumatic cutting to avoid burrs. The cutting edge are smooth and neat without burrs, growing, and burning, meeting the requirement of high-precision sealing gasket. We offer fast delivery, 3-year warranty, remote assistance, video training, and other service to help you easily handle various gasket orders. Okay, that's it. If you need a gasket cutting machine, welcome to contact us.